If you can cut your delivery times down and actually get a job out the door before it's scheduled to leave, I would think that would make customers pretty happy, and that does happen quite a bit.
Just do one more car a day. It's been proven the profitability goes way up.
But the product, it cuts your base time in half.
OVM OneVisit Modifier is actually a thickening agent that you can put in your base coat that actually changes the viscosity, increases the viscosity, makes it thicker, and makes it where you can apply it all in one application.
So when we first were introduced, it was a little bit, I was a bit apprehensive just for the simple fact that you go back to back, you double up on your coats. Instead of going in, putting a coat of base on and waiting for that first coat to flash, you go in with this product, you put your base on, you reapply it with a second coat, hopefully it's covered, and usually it is, then you're done.
Whether you're new to the industry or you've been in the industry for many, many years, if you're going to stay on top of your game, then certainly I think you'll find yourself in a constant state of learning.
Flawless transition, just going from water to the OneVisit system.
And I really feel like the OneVisit Modifier is the epitome of that. It's really a great example of that, where we're learning to spray the base coat in an entirely different manner.
As far as production goes, I like it. It works good, good color matches. It's a good product.
We still have the previous methods that we can spray it, so it adds the versatility, adds another layer of versatility that wasn't there before.
Walking less, moving less, and getting out of the booth is going to get you a cleaner job, and you're not spending so much time in the heat.
But I think the biggest thing is if you could do the same amount of work and reduce your stress level.
OneVisit has increased our production by 100%.